Hello everyone, this is Yamin and welcome to Laravel e-commerce project tutorial for beginner. If you are a beginner or if you want to create a Laravel project for your university or you want to learn Laravel, then this is the perfect tutorial for you because I'll show you everything how you can create a Laravel project from the very beginning step by step. Even if you have no knowledge about Laravel, you will still able to follow this tutorial series and understand it really clearly. So let me just give you a basic idea how our project will look like at the end. So here we are going to use a template in order to create our e-commerce project, and I will also give the template download link when we are integrating the template. Okay. So here we'll have a multiple option at the top. We'll have a login option, and here you can see we are able to see a lot of product. So we'll show those products from the database table, and we'll also have a add to cart button over here for the user to add the product to their cart, and then later they will be able to confirm their product when they want to buy it. This is how our project will look, and we'll also have a few more options at the top as well. So this will be the front end, and let me just show you the admin dashboard. So here this is how our admin dashboard will look. For admin dashboard we will also use a template, and don't worry, this will be really simple. All you need to do is that just follow me and you will understand everything. So our admin dashboard will look like this, and we'll have a option over here in order to add the product, so that the product we added from the admin dashboard will be able to see over here. And we'll also let the admin edit or delete the product, and also the admin will be able to see whenever a customer want to buy a product from here, admin will be able to see it from the dashboard and confirm the order. And we'll also let the admin see the customer, and we'll also add a option so that the user can send a message to the admin, and admin can see those messages, whatever the message the user or the customer want to send. This is what we'll do. So right now let's go and create a Laravel project. But first, before we create Laravel project, you need to have few things installed in your device. First of all, you need to have Composer installed in your device, then XAMPP, and then Node.js. So how can we check if those are installed in your device? So in order to check whether Composer is installed in your device, just open a command prompt, just say over here cmd, and you are able to see command prompt over here. Just click on command prompt, and then in order to check Composer, you need to say over here Composer -p and press enter. And then if you have Composer installed in your device, you will see something like this. And let's go and check Node.js. So in order to check whether Node.js is installed or not, all you need to do is that you need to write over here node -p, this command, and press enter. And there you can see you are able to see the Node.js version. So Composer and Node.js is installed in our device, and if you do not have installed, just install those. Installing those are really simple, and obviously if you have XAMPP installed in your device, you'll be able to see the XAMPP from here. If you just search over here XAMPP, you'll be able to see the XAMPP. Okay, so once you have those three installed, you are ready to create your Laravel project. So we can just close this for now, and I'm going to assume that you already have those three installed. So first of all, we're going to search over here laravel.com, and we'll click over here documentation, or you can also click get started. So right now we'll go down, and here you can see Composer create project Laravel/Laravel example app. So in order to create a Laravel project, we need to run this command. So first of all, I'm going to copy this command, Ctrl+C, and right now what we need to do first is that we need to decide where we will create our Laravel project. So I'm going to create my Laravel project over here in my new volume app. So for it, first of all, what we need to do is that we need to open a command prompt in this location. So here you can see at the top, I'm going to click over here, then I'll say over here cmd, then press enter, and it will open a command prompt like this. Then whatever command we just copied from here, which is this command, Composer create project Laravel/Laravel example app. So this is the command for creating the Laravel project, and this is just a name. So you can name it anything, and this will be your Laravel project name. So I already just copied this, and then let me just go to the command prompt, and I'm going to paste the command over here, and you can see that I am currently in the new volume F directory. So I'll just paste the command, and let's say our project name will be ecommerce underscore project, and then we'll press enter. So this will start creating our Laravel project, and this may take some time, like 5 minutes. So right now I will just fast forward the video, and there you can see our project creation is complete. So after that we can just close this command prompt, and here you can see we have a new folder over here called ecommerce underscore project. So right now we'll go inside and you will see something like this. So this is the Laravel file structure. So we need to run this project. And how can we run this project? So in order to run this, again we'll go at the top in the project directory, and we're going to say here cmd, then press enter. Let me zoom in, and here you can see currently we are in the project directory. So in order to run our project, we need to say over here php artisan serve, and then press enter. And there you can see it is running. So after this we need to copy this, and after copying it we'll go back to our browser and we'll paste it over here, then press enter. So here you can see this is our newly created Laravel project. And one more thing I want from you is that you should follow me every step whatever I do. So after this, here you can see you already created our project. So right now we're going to open our project using code editor. So for the code editor, I'm going to use Sublime Text. You can use Visual Studio Code or any other code editor, that's fine. So I'm going to use Sublime Text. So let me just open, or let me just search over here Sublime Text. And right now I'll just click on this file option, then open folder. Then I'll go to where my project is. So I'll go to new volume F, and our project was this one, e-commerce project. I'll select it and then select folder. So right now, first of all, what we need to do is that we need to go to our .env file and give our database name. So here by default it will use SQLite. So we're going to use MySQL. So we're going to say over here MySQL, and here you can see DB database. So DB database is Laravel by default. So we're going to change it to ecommerce underscore project. So you can basically name the database name anything you want. So I'll just go with the project name. After it, just save it. Then what you need to do is that you need to open XAMPP over here. So I'm going to open XAMPP over here. So if you have installed XAMPP, you will see something like this. And here we need to start Apache and MySQL. There you can see those two started. So right now we can just minimize this. Then let's go back to our browser, and I'll go to the XAMPP psmyadmin. Here you can see psmyadmin. Just go to this location, or I mean just go to this link, then go to psmyadmin, and here we're going to create a database. So I'll just click on this new option. If you click new option, you will see something like this, and here we need to give our database name. So in order to give the database name, we'll go back over here, and our database name is ecommerce underscore project. So let me just copy this, and one more thing we're going to do is that we'll go to our config folder, then we'll go to our database.php. Let me go down, and here you can see database equal to db database Laravel. So I'm going to change it from Laravel to ecommerce underscore project. Okay. Also just change it over here as well, because some people may get some issue with the database name. That's why. Just save it here. Then let's go back to our browser. We'll give our database name, and then we'll click over here create. And once you click create, and here you can see it created a database called ecommerce project. So in this tutorial, what we did is that we just created a Laravel project, and we also created a database ecommerce underscore project. So we just made a connection with our code to the database. So for this tutorial, this is all. And in the next tutorial, what we'll do is that we are going to create a login and register system where the user or the customer will be able to log in and register. And we'll also let admin have a different dashboard as well when the admin log in. And don't worry, I'll keep it as simple as possible. So this is all for this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe. And if you have any question or any suggestion, just let me know in the comment section, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.